Hi, I am George. Today I'm gonna show you some canna bulbs that I planted in pots to wake up, and I did wake up them, and I did a video. If you not seen, just link in the corner here. And so I show you the update as I said then, and now let's see how they grow. Beautiful, grow fast and beautiful. About this spot, about 4 plants, canna plants. They are, and they similar to bananas, but they bloom in a beautiful color, red. And yeah, I have to plant them outside in this video, so I just show you another pot that in that video I planted that bulbs, and they grow well too. Look, you can remember these spots, yes? Video is in the corner as I said, and beautiful looks and this. So let's plant them outside and need to divide them. Now I have to divide them as I said, and let's do that. Look at this one, what amazing roots it have. Was developed grass, and that's good. I'm finished with dividing, and now we have to plant them. I have already prepared the place where I will plant them. The biggest ones I will plant them here, all this banana plant, and the smallest ones behind the banana plant. I will plant them and we will see how they will grow further. Here are the smaller ones. I have prepared everything, remaining only to plant them. Look how many are there. And read in the comments if I too closely planted each other. I will begin to plant them. At first the plants will feel wilted to the leaves for about 2 weeks. And outside there are total different conditions, strong sunlight and light. And until we are accommodated, we will have to wait. And the leaves that will grow will be strong in the sun, but these leaves will burn by the sun. But what to do? Will grow another leaves very beautiful, more beautiful. And I will plant them here beautifully. These plants love to wet them in the warm season a lot. And they will grow beautiful and will bloom very beautiful in red color. I think you saw in exotic and tropical country these kind of plants. I make exotic at my home. Some of these small plants seems like I will move them to a place with richer soil. I finished planting and arranging here beautiful. Now I have to wet them. Look how it looks now the plants, and I hope they will doing very well. My orb is finished, and if they will bloom in the summer I will make a special video for them again. So we will see. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end and have an amazing day. Greetings from Moldova and hope you enjoyed this video. And subscribe to my channel if you want, like and share, comment, and see you next time. Bye!